So merch on demand allows people to load logos and other information. That's something cool that can be like slapped on a t-shirt, for example. This program is over inundated by sellers at this time. So it's actually not even possible to get an application to process through the regular means of that. So I think it's a successful program. Amazon, every time Amazon launches 10 programs, usually 1 out of 10 will be successful. This is a case of the 1 out of the 10. However, I don't necessarily think it's terribly scalable for the majority of people. The sort of person who should engage in this platform is actually a designer, somebody who can make creatives, but don't necessarily know how to manufacture. Do I think that a previously already manufacturing t-shirt company should be doing this sort of program? Probably not. I think the margins are too low for the amount of time you're investing, and it's just not going to make sense. So most sellers probably not a good fit, but for the very hyper creative types, they're probably doing pretty well.
Hey, it's Riya here. Before you leave, make sure to subscribe to Seller App's main YouTube channel where we upload all things Amazon and some how-to guides that will make sure that you're winning on Amazon. You will not get this anywhere else. Until the next time, happy selling.